Alright, if you just have your attention for just a few short moments, I'd like to point out the safety features of our Boeing 737 MAX 8. Seat information card is in that seat back pocket or literature pocket in front of you. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the pod to the buckle, pull the loose strap to tighten. To release, lift up on the buckle. Position your seatbelt tight and low across your hips and where your tummy is seated. 8 emergency exits on board, 2 forward exit doors, 4 wing window exits, 2 exit doors in the back. Signs overhead, lights on the floor will lead to exits. If an evacuation is necessary, follow flight attendant commands and leave everything. In the event of a water evacuation, use that life vest under your seat. Remove the vest only when told to do so. Pull the red strap to open the container and remove the pouch. Remove the vest from the pouch. Place it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist. Buckle it in front. And pull to tighten. Once outside, pull down on that red tab to inflate the vest. To manually inflate, pull into the tube at your shoulder. Your life vest has a light that turns on automatically in the water. Please refer to the safety information card for use of a life vest on an infant. Flight attendants will distribute additional vests if needed. We are coming through, checking that your seatbelts are fastened, seat back and tray table in that full upright lock position. All those carry-on items are completely underneath the seat in front of you or in that overhead bin, leaving the area around your feet clear. Smoking is not allowed on board, including the lavatories. Use and charging of electronic cigarettes is prohibited. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. Also prohibited consuming alcohol that you may have brought with you aboard the flight. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with the lighted passenger information signs, posted placards, crew member instructions, including information on seatbelts and smoking. And if ever needed, 4 oxygen masks will drop from a compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Secure the mask with the elastic strap. Although oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. Continue to wear the mask until otherwise notified by a crew member. And if you're traveling with children or anyone needing special assistance, please make sure you put on your mask first. Also remove any face coverings before donning an oxygen mask. We're here for your comfort and safety. Please let any of the fellow flight attendants know of any unwelcome behavior. Thank you all so much for all your attention. Go ahead, sit back, relax, enjoy this 2-hour, 50-minute flight on over to Chicago Midway. Welcome aboard. I'm going to be dimming the cabin lights. If you need some additional lighting, go ahead and look above real quick. That light bulb figure is going to be your lighting. Line 1. time's out for departure. Make sure your seatbelts are fastened. Enjoy the flight.
Maybe they don't know the track.
It's
charge your electronic devices and make sure that they're in airplane mode. The captain has specified to remain seated. Once he feels it's safe for us to do so, we will get up and do that complimentary beverage service for you. Take a look at the beverage menu in your seat back pocket for all the beverage options that we offer. Fair warning, liquor can also be purchased as a valid drink coupon or a debit or credit card. It's going to be 3 lavatories on board, 2 in the back, 1 in the front. These are free from forming a line or standing up here at this forward lavatory. Once again, seatbelt sign is still on. Once the captain feels it's safe, you will turn it off, and that will be your indicator